Good morning, friends. So we woke up to the snow in the morning and it looks beautiful again. So this is how it looks again early in the actually it started last night, but I don't know when it started and now it's snowing and now it's stopped, but the snow looks like this. I'll turn around the camera and show you also a little bit here and there. So here it looks after I rotate it, like I cannot rotate it much because I only have one window in the house. These apartments have less windows too, so here it is. It's only 11 degrees. It's actually minus 11 degrees, so it's so cold. And here I'm just posing out with how much snow we can have actually. It's the world record snow actually. Sometimes we Hello have. Everyone, good morning. So I'm just going out to clean up the car and shovel out little so that I can drive the car and you can see how the snow is there on the car. Now we'll have to clean up. Just have a good watch and you might enjoy that I'm cleaning my own car and I have to go out and get some things, just the regular onions and all. So I better go, otherwise I'll not have onions for cooking dinner. Okay, see you later. Bye. So here I'm trying to clean up the snow. I thought I would make the wipers run out a little bit and see if the snow is too much or okay. It looks like the snow was fluffy and it automatically flew off by itself, and over here I'm trying to clean because it's very dangerous to drive the snow on the roof of your car actually. So if that falls you can meet with an accident also. So it's always better to clean up little bit, otherwise when you're driving it is so cold that the snow flies from your roof to another people's who are back of you. So it's actually dangerous. I have taken so many times the risk. One day I was driving on Lincoln Avenue and it was so bad. I had 3 or 4 inches of snow on my top roof of my car, and the whole um, snow fell on my windshield. It was so dangerous. I thought that was my last day of living, but then I just put the wind wipers so quickly that the snow fell off. So that is dangerous actually. You all should not become so daring that, oh, I don't mind, I don't care. But I most of the times I take it lightly because I'm used to staying here in America from 21 years. So I take a chance every time. Now also I don't think I'll be cleaning up my roof. I'll be taking a chance, but I'm just going only till half a mile till King Super. So I'll just go and come off. So it's dangerous what we do, but you should not do actually. I'm not telling you to do like this. You should never do. I do and I'll be doing again because I cannot clean up the car. So it is just fun for me. I don't mind. I don't think about tomorrow. So it is okay with me. So I'm remembering that Amitabh Bachchan song, who is an Hollywood who is a Bollywood actor actually. So he said, "Hamare aage na piche, na koi aage na piche." That song I'm remembering. That's true actually. If you have to just be by yourself and take care of yourself. So here I'm trying to back up and start to drive. I've still not cleaned my car, but guys, you should not do all this. This is very risky what I'm doing. So it's dangerous. I'm just trying to see how are the roads, whether I'm cracking the ice while driving or no, and it looked like I was cracking the whole ice. Now I've come back here just for 2 minutes again because my snow was really falling, and I was thinking, oh, I should not be going like this. I thought I would clean up little more. So I just thought it will melt by itself, but things don't melt like that by itself. So again I came out, again I just drove till 1 minute for the road and I came off and it was not good. So I said, okay, let me just make the car more warm, and it was shivering in the car, and I said, okay, I'll clean up little more. So I just got down, I cleaned up again. Now I'm planning to go again. My mind was thinking, should I go or should I not go? I can live without onions or no till 3-4 days. Then I said no, it won't be nice to not cook without onions. So I came back again. I just started cleaning and it was very cold. It was, so I thought, okay, I'll clean up little more. I'll come into the house, and it was a 50-50 thing. I was thinking, should I go, should I not go? Should I go or should I not go? Because I was already so cold. I was very cold, though I wore my wrap on my head also, but still I was shivering like anything. I could not manage. I thought I would come at home, become warm again, and then start going again. But it was a big blunder which I do. I still didn't clean up the car well. Again, I started cleaning. So it took like 1 hour. I was outside in the cold. It was like 1 hour I was out. And I didn't like, and you should never be for more than an hour or two when it is so cold. It was shivering, and but I had to come and clean my car, and it was dangerously cold. I thought I would becoming an ice cream being out so much. So but still I went out and I came off, and again I started cleaning of here. I'm struggling of here, but it's okay. But it was fun actually being out in the cold, and I saw so many people still shopping, and it looks like there's no corona. Only from America corona has gone forever. But it's not gone, so corona will be there for another 5 or 10 years also, so we can't say. But there's vaccine, so there's good hope now. So here I'm struggling actually, still thinking what should I clean up, how should I clean up. I think I should have a ladder. That's what somebody told me. My neighbor told, you need a ladder to climb up and all. But then I don't know, it's a joke. People come and my neighbors see me, no? They come and say, oh, you need a ladder. Then I said, okay, I'll buy one. Because then again and again putting money into something which we don't need. So it's better that whoever wants to come to Colorado should come with a nice place where there's attached garages. People should always have, that's a good blessing actually, but you can't do anything because so much of apartments are there, and in this apartment which I stay there's no attached garage, so you have to walk all the way till the garage. That's more dangerous, where I was struggling here only to just walk up. But it's all good. Summers are good in America, so it's nice to be having summers, but we always have 9 months of winter, so this is how it is, winterland. But it's fun. Here I bought some onions over here, so I just ran for getting some onions because I wanted to cook. There were no onions in my house at all, so I bought some onions. Some garlic too, so I said once if I'm going, let me get garlic too. So here are some garlic too. This is the next day. Still my car has not been cleaned well, and I have to go again today and clean up. And it looks like more than cleaning and enjoying the snow. I'm only cleaning the snow. So but it's okay. So this is the third day of the snow, and it is still not melted. This is how the snow falls from the roof to the windshield, and the same thing happens when you're driving, when you don't clean up. So it is actually little fun, but it is dangerous. So better to clean up all the cars before you drive and then start. So this was a little video which I wanted to share from a long many years. Today I got a chance, and here it is, and we should all be safe. So I hope you all like this video, friends, and it's really very cold. I'm wearing a nice sweater over here, and it is very cold in the house too. So be warm, friends, and don't do like what I do, not cleaning the snow well, and be careful. So this is all the message I had today, that clean the snow before you do anything, otherwise it's so dangerous. Okay friends, if you have not liked this video, like it, share it and subscribe. Bye. Love you all.